We all know what it feels like to experience food cravings. But don't worry, because we're here to help you fight these unhealthy cravings with foods that will do your body some good. More often than you think, thirst is confused for hunger or food cravings. If you haven't had anything to drink for a while, try drinking a large cup of water or a cup of tea and then waiting for a few minutes. You may find that your cravings fade away and your body was simply thirsty. Sugar cravings are extremely common, but there are ways to calm your sweet tooth using healthy alternatives. Swapping out your junk food for some whole fruit may give your body the sweet hit that it craves. These fruits don't just contain natural sugars, but are also rich in fibers, nutrients, and other plant compounds that keep your body fit. So the next time you crave sugar, try a melon or some grapes instead. Let's be honest, the first thing our sweet tooth drives us to is chocolate. But did you know, simply by switching to dark chocolate, you can tame your craving while still being healthy? Dark chocolate contains 70% of cocoa and is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that keep your heart healthy. However, just regulate how much you eat. A great snack to satisfy your cravings for potato chips is butter-free popcorn. Not only does it have heart disease fighting abilities, but it's also rich in antioxidants. Another alternative is cashews, almonds, or any other kinds of nuts that you like to eat. Nuts tend to boost your energy and keep you full for longer. But remember that they're high in calories, so moderation is key. To combat your craving for a sip of something sweet or aerated, try having some soda with a little bit of fruit juice as well. The drink will have the same effect as a sweetened soda, but without the calories or the caffeine. You can also try iced tea for an effective and tasty option. French fries can be super addictive, and we all know how hard it can be to cut down on them. But a great alternative for French fries is some hummus and veggie sticks. Packed with vitamins and nutrients, hummus can lower the risk of heart disease and aid digestion. When paired with nutrient-rich vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and beetroots, this snack can be both healthy and delicious. Everybody loves a scoop of ice cream every once in a while, but this tasty dessert is basically just churned fat and sugar. Frozen yogurt is a great alternative as it's low on these fats and sugars and also contains probiotics that aid digestion. Another alternative is to blend some frozen bananas to make your own ice cream. You can even add a little bit of peanut butter or almond butter to this for an extra kick of flavor. Use these tips to switch to healthy food alternatives that will sustain the natural balance of your body. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.